I've got my March Slay Glam Bag. So if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me right now, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So my Slay Glam bag or box, or it's coming in a bag now, so I don't know, but it just came in. I did go ahead and use the products in there. So, and I used I already had on foundation and cheek products. They didn't have that in there. So I put on just the products that came in here that were eyes and lips. So if I'm looking a little crazy, that's why. I did want to really use like the palette in a way that really kind of showed you how the colors looked. So this may not be a normal look for me. I wanted to make sure that you could really see the duochromes that are in here. So I'm going to go ahead and start with some of the smaller things in here. And I've already swatched myself up, so we're all good. Okay, so the first thing is this gorgeous eyeliner. So this is a felt tip liner in purple. And I usually would do a line of black and then a line of purple just above it. But because I wanted to just showcase what was in this box, I didn't do that. So here on my hand, right there is the liner. So I did that a couple of times. It can be very thin though. So there it was the first time I tried it. Then I wanted to thicken it up. And that is by Drippin' Diamonds Beauty. Okay, so beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous. By Sashay brand, S-A-S-H-A-Y, is a duo lip liner lipstick. So here is how this comes out. You have your liner on this side. On this side is your lipstick. So it was hard to see the line, so I thickened it up. That's the liner right there. The thicker one right here is the lipstick. So it is a little bit of a light color for me. It's a color that I would have to mix in with maybe something a little bit bolder, a little bit darker, but I wanted you to see how it does look. I am fair-skinned. I have rosacea. It's starting to come out. It's the end of the day. For me, as you can see, it's starting to get dark out. So my makeup's been on all day, and it's just tired like me. You know. Next, by Rasha B Cosmetics, is a mascara in purple. Now, it does have this kind of wand. I prefer the thin silicone wands. I think that those do a better job at lengthening. This is more of a curling wand, but I did put it on. So I do have it on. This is not the juiciest mascara. I'm not going to say that it's dry. I just don't feel like it is. So there, I just kind of scratched some on. It's not. There was no like big thick clump at the bottom that you had to worry about, but at the same point, I didn't feel like there was enough kind of juiciness to get that kind of lengthened lash look that I like. Then there were these two little mini eye duochromes. I did swatch these right there so you can see them. Like it's not coming. So this one kind of has a pink undertone. Definitely catch it on that one. This one here has a pink undertone. So I did go above the eyeliner on that and put it just above the eyeliner. And then the that's the whitish one that also goes a little bit of pink. This one here, which is like a gold and pink, like darker pink. I put a little bit under my eyes, and then I put a little bit like right here in the corner and over here. But there's so much going on here, it's kind of hard to see. But I did swatch it on my hand again. Last is the palette. This is the Gold Digger palette by Rasha B Cosmetics. This was the one that she had wanted to put in February, but it didn't come in on time. here are your colors. So we do have some duochromes in there. So I'm going to show you. And I just started with the top and went to the bottom. All right, so we have some shimmers, we have some mattes, then we've got these duochromes here. And I mean, this one here has so many colors. This one here, it's got like a green, a blue, a gold. This one mirrors that little mini eye one with the kind of pinkish gold. Then this one has some really pretty kind of greens and blues in it. All right, we've got some more mattes and shimmers, and then this blue one on the bottom here is also another one. So just absolutely gorgeous. I will tell you this, with the duochromes, be careful. I mean, I like put my finger in there to get that blue one, and I don't know if you can see, it kind of separated a little bit. So do be careful with those. But again, like that one that looks kind of whitish is this one here. It just has these subtle colors in there. I'm going to show you that. So see, that's that one. Almost looks like a rainbow on my finger. There we go. I don't feel like the color is really coming out in the... I do like the palette. Again, this is more than I would use. I started on the outer corner with this purple one here, kind of just creating the cut crease in an outer corner. And then on the inner corner, I used this right here, put that right there. Then I did it with a brush, then I went back in with my finger. Then for here, I started with a brush, but I went back in with my finger with this one here because I thought that was so lovely. And then I darkened up the crease a little bit with this one here. And I didn't really use that one so much, or the blue one. And then I used this one here right in there. So that is the look that I created with my Slay Glam bag. Everything in there, including the palette. So I hope you enjoyed. And if you have, please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.